This is my Kuma Fire Security box that I ordered off the website. As you can see, this is a Taunton company, and I've gone all the way to Taunton to pick it up. And here it is, the Kuma XPY. Analog fire alarm. And there's the Kuma 814 heat detector. As you can see, it's fucking playing up again, so I'm gonna fucking sort that out later. Oh!
No, the rest of the
Right, let's put my brake glass together then.
Or you can get the same one. They said it's about £10–15 an oil.
Can you hold the camera?
When are they going?
The buttons are...
October the 8th.
This is putting my brake glass together. First you put the glass in. And then you put the cover on. Balagonga. There's your brake glass. Thank you, that's all.